It is the 30th of July 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about the origin of COVID-19. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, la Réserve fédérale des États-Unis garde ses taux stables. The Federal Reserve of the United States keeps its rates stable. Next, la FIFA ouvre une enquête sur l'Argentine. FIFA opens an investigation on Argentina. And, au Michigan, des électeurs discutent de 2 candidats. In Michigan, voters discuss 2 candidates. And now, today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud, slowly, and see how much you already understand. Now let us decode it word by word. Au means at the Sénat, Sénat américain means American or US. Un débat is a debate. Reprend means takes up again or resumes. Sur means en. L'origine means the origin. Du means of the. COVID-19 is the name of the disease. The headline uses the pattern article plus noun as in un débat and l'origine. Rand Paul parle au Sénat américain. Rand Paul speaks at the US Senate. Parle. The verb in today's story is from parler. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Le débat continue à Washington. The debate continue in Washington. Débat. Débattre is the key word in today's story and it belongs to the same family as débattre. More examples in the lesson sheet. Le vote est de 9 contre 3. The vote is 9 against 3. 9. 9 is today's number. Fauci soutient une origine animale, mais Paul dit autre chose. Fauci supports an animal origin, but Paul says something else. Mais. But is the connector that shows contrast. La Chine est citée dans le débat. China is mentioned in the debate. Today's word is Chine. Say it with me. Shine. The French sound is soft, like the shinshu. Now for the pattern of the day. Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Nous parlons. Vous parlez. Il parle. The headline uses the il form. Parle. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What do Rand Paul and Anthony Fauci do? Is it A. Parlant au Sénat? Gagnent un match? Or C. Ouvrent une banque? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.